Hi everyone! Happy Wednesday po sa inyong lahat. Today ay day off ulit ni Habi guys. So, we are heading to Ikea. Bibili kami ng furniture, study table ni KV guys for her bedroom. So, husband is back. Husband is here.
Oh, hello.
Alright.
Every time I jump into this car, I'm on camera.
Yes. It's like that.
Yes.
Okay, see you then. Hi guys, we are already here inside the IKEA. We just finished our brunch.
Lunch.
Lunch.
Early lunch because we're going to get lost in here because
Yeah.
it takes hours. Hours and hours. Yeah, there's so much to see. So much to look at.
Yeah.
Here. So yeah, it's a crazy place. That's pretty cool.
That's
The microwave built in. That's a big microwave. Look at that. Look at the size of that one.
Big.
$749. So yeah, everything's made by Ikea, like it's all their own everything. They make it all. It's incredible actually when you think about
It's
it.
pretty.
Yeah. See, these are very, it's very Swedish style. This. Yeah, like that. Very Swedish style. Yeah. We'll have to take you up there one day, except we'd have to visit Nasland. Oh my God, Nasland! Really? Have to visit you up there.
There's another style.
Yeah,
of
another
the
style kitchen.
Look at the flashback. It's like our
Yeah, it's like our space back.
kitchen, yeah. But different color. It's
Yeah.
like green, gray.
Yeah, grey. Well, it's like a greeny grey colour. How much is the sink? Oh, the sink, the tap mixer is $149, but I don't know how much the sink.
Yeah.
So that's not bad, love. $399 for the sink. It's pretty good.
For salad.
See, look at this. How cool is this? See? Look.
I like these.
Yeah. You got another drawer here.
Yep.
With soft clothes.
Much prettier. See.
Oh, hello. We're still looking at kitchens, oddly enough. I just saw that.
Yeah. It's like Tony's.
Lemonade.
It's pretty.
It's nice, isn't it?
Gray.
Great one, yeah.
Display cabinet lab. Nice.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Nice guys. Pretty.
Very nice. It's all lit up. Barbecue. All outdoor stuff. It's nice, isn't it?
349.
That's a cool barbecue. Yeah. Laundry and bathroom. It's like a,
Yeah, this
it's
one
like a
is
little
kitchen.
flat. Yeah.
Yeah. Then this one is bedroom. Yeah. I think if you have a small space, you know.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I reckon that's a cool idea, except where are you going to put the television? You can't have the television.
The TV.
Oh, the TV's over there.
Already there.
Like a little bathroom.
We have the laundry area
Oh, yeah,
here.
the shower's here. Wow.
Then
How cool is that?
bathroom,
Closet.
toilet. shower. Closet.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? Storage.
Storage.
For shoes.
For shoes, yeah.
That is neat. And it's a tiny little space, but you could live quite. If you're just a single person, you could live here fine.
Yeah.
I tell you, when I was my old flat that I had really wasn't much bigger than this. I must be in the box.
Yep.
Okay, this you can look around here. It's like enormous. What you do is you write down inside when you find what you want.
Yeah.
You write down the price, the aisle in the warehouse, and then the location, and you find it. So this is location 14. So
Yeah.
KV's new chair. We have to take this and this, like.
Yeah.
Yeah. And this box. That's the bottom part.
Wow.
That must be the bottom part. So that. Now we've got to go down to aisle 31. Keep going down this way. 31. Location 31. Yeah.
Here.
Yeah. Here.
The one underneath? Or empty?
Location 31.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
mate, they're what? They got none left? You kidding me?
Oh no.
Hey?
Is that the desk?
The desk. Should be there.
That's different in the other side, yeah?
Yeah, that's different the other side, yeah. Oh, that sucks. I'm gonna get that.
Yes, we're done here and we're ready to go back home.
Well, we gotta pick the tap up yet.
Ah, yeah.
From the other one.
Yes.
I'll get the receipt out of here.
All the stuff, ang mga nabili namin guys is already here inside. So, the other one is in the KV's table. Study table. Like,
My God. Ikea, you need to be fit to visit Ikea, really. You need to be fit, all the walking.
yeah.
Oh, gosh. Crazy. Huge place. Wait till you get to Manila. The world's biggest one is coming to Manila, apparently.
Yes,
so,
that's cool.
you know?
Really, that's very cool idea. That
yeah.
they're going to have Ikea in the Philippines. That's nice. That's good.
Yeah.
Wait, hopefully we have also in Davao.
Yeah.
But if you really compare the price in IKEA, here is more cheaper than if you go Harvey Norman.
Oh, yeah.
Furniture shops.
Yeah, no, Ikea is very cheap.
Yeah, very affordable price.
And now we just got to find our way out of this car park. That'll be fun.
Yeah. Yeah, ito yung car park ng IKEA, guys. It's massive.
Yeah, I got no
Yes.
idea which way, but anyway, we'll take a guess. We'll go this way. Oh, hang on, I'm going the wrong way here. Hang on. We've got to go round and around and around, I think. Follow the arrows.
Follow your nose, love.
Follow arrows. That's all you do.
Ito, you gotta follow your nose.
IKEA is Swedish for arrows.
Arrows.
Because you follow the arrows when you get in there on the floor.
That IKEA means?
No, I'm only joking. But it should. All you do is follow stupid arrows everywhere. Here we go. Follow the arrow this way.
Oh, it's really big. Ang laki talaga, guys. Sobrang laki ng car park. Car park lang to ha, pero ang laki.
Bump.
That's their entrance, love, right?
Yeah.
The entrance is over here.
That's the, oh look, she's
Hey, that's
going
the girl
with the
here.
big trolley.
That's the girl you helped.
Yeah. Oh my god.
The little girl.
I hope she's strong.
Ayan yung tinulungan kanina ni Dave, guys. Hindi kasi niya mabuhat yung binili niya na one big box.
Yeah, one big box in the back.
Yeah.
Now we gotta get out of here.
Yeah, I think
Click load, exit. No, we don't go there.
that's not the one.
We go this way to get
Exit,
out.
Yeah.
And then we gotta go to the other one
Thanks
now.
for visiting.
The second warehouse. The second IKEA warehouse.
Ah, we're out of here. We're out from Ikea.
Now we gotta go to the next IKEA though.
Yeah, we're going to the other one.
The warehouse.
To pick up the, what you call that, lab?
The tap.
The top.
I don't know why they have it here. It's only small.
Yeah,
It's
that's
a bit
the,
weird.
papalitan kasi namin yung top namin, guys, na medyo, ano siya, more higher and like have spring.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Spring loaded.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a big place back there too. This spot going here now.
Yeah. Yeah. Ikea warehouse. We're going to pick up the top even. Are we still going inside?
Just for a little bit, I think. Yeah. Just to pick up the tap.
Yeah, because we already paid it.
Yeah. Just park here. Dude. Oh yeah, there's a dude there.
Alright.
Dude there waiting. Alright, we're going home now. I've had enough. This is my day off. My day off always involves lots of walking, lots of shopping, and me being very tired. You know, this is my day off with Mary. It's all part of the fun. I wouldn't change a thing.
Alright.
Alright, we're out of here.
Out of here.
Catch you later.
Catch you later, guys.